here we are again. I was at the garden yesterday and decided that I would pick as many tomatoes as I can, green or whatever, and I still have some there. I just got tired and just could not get them all yesterday, so I have at least another half as much as what you see on this table still to pick, and I'm hoping some of these will ripen. Now, the last batch I have ripened, and they are now in my kitchen ready to be canned today. I also managed to get some more gourds while I was out there, so I've got a nice collection of gourds for display for the fall, as well as green peppers, which rather surprised me. I didn't expect to see any peppers, but I did find some green peppers yesterday. Okay, so this batch of tomatoes will have to sit here for a day or two. They are lovely, but they're still green. I'm hoping that most of them will ripen, and the ones that do will get canned up. Meanwhile, I have separated anything that was close to being ripe, and those ones that were ripening on that table earlier on were removed, put in baskets to make room for the green ones. So these ripe ones today will be canned, as well as the grape tomatoes. The grape tomatoes are of the same family of tomatoes, so that they're pretty meaty as well. So they should, and they have lots of flavor, so they should do well here. Okay, so that's my big job today. Canning up a whole slew of tomatoes again. Mark caught his first salmon of the year. and it's cooling in the sink. So half of this will be put away and half will be for dinner tonight. Yum yum. Along with roasted potatoes, and I think he's got carrots on as well.
Yep.
So.
Oh yeah, we've got some of your carrots here too.
Okay, but the salmon is the big deal of the day.